Hi folks, this is Chooks, owner of Strong Pillar Construction. We're here on one of our projects in Brooklyn Park that we just wrap up, and we'll be doing a walkthrough. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we'll start with the movie room. As you can see, this is the movie room. We have all these nice gray walls, and above it we have a recessed LED light. Nice comfortable sofa. This is really cool. Then you look at the carpet as well, very rich. Then over here we have our projector, which is 120 inches. Then on this side we have our projector receiver. Then over there we have projector. So this is what the finished movie room looks like. Then let me take you guys to the kitchenette. We have a portable kitchenette right here with a quartz countertop. The backsplash is my favorite. As you can see, all the patterns, everything looks clean. Then we have two floating shelves. Then we have this pendant light, which really came out good. And also we have a couple of cabinets, which really came out good as well. Then the next stop will be the bathroom. The bathroom is my favorite, guys. You will be surprised. To start from, we have this nice vanity farmhouse mirror. Then we have this shiplap walls. The bathroom floor is awesome as well. Then if you look inside the shower, we have all these subway towels. Then we have this floating glass panel, which is really good. Then on one side we go with all black accessories, which really came out good. Then my favorite is this night vent fan. That's cool, and also it has a Bluetooth as well. You can play music while you're taking your bath. Then I'll take you guys to the last room, which is office slash bedroom. Over here we have this California style closet, which really gave this room a unique design. All soft close drawers, white interior, and that's it, guys. You guys tell me what you think. Give us a like if you like our video and our construction project. Just give us a like or comment. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video.